hot. It's too damn hot. Hey, welcome to my channel, y'all. If you're new, hello. I'm back with another video, y'all. We're gonna be doing a maintenance vlog. So y'all gonna see me turn into a bad bitch, because right now I look like a, ooh Lord, we ain't about to get into what I look like. But I'm over to y'all on some new news. First thing first, I think in my last video I was telling y'all that I was taking my practical for my license, and I got my license. So that's good news number one. Second good news is I got my first job as an esthetician, so I'm so excited to start doing that. And third, your girl got a new phone. Your girl got a new phone, so y'all ain't gotta hear me weird complaining about I ain't got no storage. My phone keep turning off, because baby, this is brand new, plenty of storage, okay? So we ain't gonna, y'all gonna hear me complain about that. So today we are going to be doing, I'm getting my nails done, my eyebrows done. That's for just today. Then tomorrow I'm getting my hair done. I'm getting me some knotless braids, because it's too fucking hot. It's too damn hot for a wig, a frontal, a closure, a bob. It's too fucking hot for that. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm waiting. Hopefully they open at 9 o'clock, because it is 9 o'clock. So hopefully they be here, because I like to be the first person, because I don't like waiting on that. And plus I'm trying to work around my goddamn work schedule. So yeah, that's what I'm doing basically 2 days, because most of the time it usually like, oh, this is how I get my hair done and all that stuff in one day. No, not with me. My schedule could never be that normal. So yeah, I'm gonna get my nails done. Then after I get my nails done, I'm going to this eyebrow place called Bombay. I'm get my eyebrows threaded. This shit's about to hurt, because I haven't had my eyebrows threaded since I don't know when. Don't mind it, because I don't know why I'm having a freaking breakout. I washed and I did everything. Put oil, all that on my face. It's still, I don't know. But I'm gonna figure it out, because why is it doing it? But yeah, y'all. So I'm gonna sit here and wait until they come, because hopefully it was 9. Because my mama told me 9. Now my mama was wrong, I'm gonna be mad. But yeah, I'm gonna sit here and wait until I get my nails done. I don't know if I want to do French or just plain white. I'm just talking with my door unlocked. Lord have mercy. But yeah, I don't know if I want to do French or plain white nails, because I don't know. I like colors, but I don't like colors, because I just feel like if you do all white, you have more stuff to use for your outfit. If that makes sense. If it do, thank you for understanding me. But if you don't understand, I don't know. I think I'm just weird. But yeah, I'm so happy I got a new phone, y'all, because it looks more clear. And plus, I got more storage. I made sure when I went up to that store, I was like, please give me all the storage you can give me on this phone. Even though my bill gonna be a little high, but it is very okay, because I do not care. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna try to record more, because I think when I upload this, well, the video before this was like a month ago. So yeah. Well, no, I've been busy. Y'all, they here. I'll see y'all later, because I just put it right next to me. Turn the lights on, y'all. They turn the lights on. And yes, I park in handicap, because I have a sticker. Leave me alone. But yeah, they turn the lights on. Look at my stuff. Boyfriend, if you watching this, 29 needs some air. Okay, I just got done with my nails and my eyebrows within an hour. Okay, so you see my eyebrows, cause period. Her name is AJ. So, nah, I ain't gonna tell y'all where is it. I'm just playing. I think this Bombay on Hex Cross, y'all. Go to AJ, y'all. She did good. She did real good. Okay. Now we're just waiting for the hair, baby. We're just waiting for the hair. Oh, and my nails, I got them white. I went white as always. And my toes are the same. So now, that's the only thing I have to do today because I got my scrubs for my new job out the way yesterday. So I don't have to go buy no scrubs. I'm not hungry. It's weird. So I usually hungry. So don't worry about the end because I'm not hungry. I was playing. But yeah. Eyebrows. Ooh! I don't know. I ain't even a lot of myself. Cause sometimes I don't have to get my eyebrows done because they're already like naturally thick and arched sometimes. So I can get away with not getting my eyebrows done. So, but I'm a star though, cause it just make everything looks more clean, you know. So I'm probably gonna start. This is my little throw-on wig. Don't even look at it, y'all. Cause baby, I'm so ready to take this down and get my braids to my booty. To my booty, because if you getting braids and they're not at your booty, why is you getting braids? But I'm gonna go back home. I showed you my nails. My feet are the same, so ain't nothing too special about it. And yeah, it's gonna be the end of day one of becoming a bad bitch because yeah, if you're not a bad bitch, then what are you doing? I'm just playing. You don't have to be one to be to do it. You don't have to be a bad bitch all the time. But I can't multitask, so I'm gonna end this because we're gonna be in a ditch somewhere. So yeah. Okay, guys. So it is the next day. Well, today was my appointment, and I just gotta wash my hair. I'm gonna blow dry it out, and I'm gonna wait until she let me know that she's here because my sister-in-law is coming over here to do my hair, so it really ain't no her. Well, yeah, it ain't really no her because she coming to me and I know her, and she basically like family. So I'm gonna blow dry this out, and I'm gonna let her know. I'm gonna see where she is, cause her appointment was at 8 o'clock, and it's actually 8 o'clock right now. So y'all, I'm gonna blow dry this out, and then hopefully the next scene is me doing my hair done. And y'all, I got my eyebrows threaded yesterday, and I don't know what oil they be putting on your eyebrows, but it be breaking me out. So now I'm gonna have to put some on it so this can go down. But yeah, I'm gonna blow dry this out. I should start with my hair, my natural hair, but that's too much maintenance for natural hair. So I'm gonna blow dry this out. Oop. I'm gonna blow dry this out, and then I will see y'all. I'm about to get my hair done. How many more days could I wait? Playing players with you, and I won't let it fall through. Okay, y'all, so it is the next day, and this is my hair. It's so cute and long. Like, look. It's so long. You still can't see it, but it is so long. Yeah, it took us forever in a day. Cause one, we took like an hour break. And then, yeah, we ain't gonna talk about it. But it's so freaking cute. And it is some knotless braids. Look at my edges, cause period. And then, tell y'all, so tell me why the next day, yesterday, I woke up, my toe polish on my toes was gone, so I had to go get that fixed. That's why we took an hour break, because I had to get my freaking feet fixed. But yeah, y'all, this my hair is so freaking cute. So cute. And it's long. And that's what I like. But yeah. And if you're watching this video, subscribe to my channel. And I'll see y'all in the next video.